Let's add a new service type in MyHub. To begin, navigate to the Service section and select Add Service. This process consists of 4 steps. Let's configure a service's general settings. First, select the necessary service type from the drop-down menu in the pop-up window. Next, give your service a custom name if you want it to be different from the default service type name. Just add the name you want to the Name field and your customer panel will display the custom service type name. Choose Regular or Hourly Rate Type. For regular rate type services, trip cost is calculated as per taximeter mode and fee settings per min per column value minimum cost. For hourly rate services, trip calculation is based on per hour value. Select the route type from the 3 options in the drop-down list: car route, bicycle route, direct line route. Set the type of orders your service will work on. In the system available 2 types of bookings: pre-orders and instant bookings. Pre-orders are sent to drivers on the service within company's operational area. Instant bookings are sent to drivers when the pickup is within driver's working area and are distributed by the intelligent queue. Next, open the drop-down list and define the number of passenger seats the service allows. This is a maximum vehicle capacity. The number of seats is displayed in a service card of a booking panel. Once you've completed this, the next step allows you to select the operating zones where this service type will be available. Let's set customer app options up. Tick the box Invisible for customers if you want to hide the service for booking via web app. And enable this option in case you want your clients to see 8-min ETA for any trip request when a driver's arrival to the pickup exceeds 8 minutes. Define driver app options. As part of driver management flow, you may also decide when to show trip cost to your drivers. In Allow drivers with the following service types to receive jobs for this service, you can allow drivers on other services to receive jobs on this one. This is ideal for times when a demand for a certain service may exceed the number of available drivers on the requested service. Enable back-to-back rides for drivers by switching the toggle in case you want to allow drivers to receive a request for a new order while they are finishing a previous one. The next feature gives you the ability to allow or disallow the drivers on the service to see drop-off address for instant orders. Tick the box and you can allow the drivers on the service to see passenger details, phone number and name, before pre-order starts. Finally, you can customize the service pin color on the operator app map. All drivers under this service will display the same color, ensuring easy recognition and a consistent visual experience. Now you've completed all the general settings. Click the Next button to proceed to the payment methods, trip calculation options.